Today we will do second part of classification of business activities, that is commerce. Commerce refers to all those activities which help directly or indirectly in the distribution of goods to the ultimate consumers. Commerce provides the necessary link between producers and consumers. It includes all those activities which are necessary for maintaining free flow of goods and services. Next is functions of commerce. First is helps in removing the hindrance of persons. Traders help in exchange of goods or services from the producer to consumer and hence remove the hindrance between producers and consumers. Second is helps in removing the hindrance of place. The transport segment of commerce helps in removing the place gap, that is, goods can be easily transferred from one place to another. Third is helps in removing the hindrance of time. Warehousing segment helps in removing the problem of time gap. The goods can be safely kept in the warehouses till they are demanded in the market. Fourth is helps in removing the hindrance of exchange. Banks are helping in external trade by using credit and by providing foreign currency. Fifth is helps in removing the hindrance of risk. The insurance branch of commerce helps in removing the hindrance of risk by providing protection and compensation to the insured. Next is helps in removing the hindrance of knowledge. The advertisements branch of commerce helps in removing the hindrance of knowledge by spreading the awareness about the new products and their utility. Next is classification of commerce. Commerce is divided into two parts, that is trade and auxiliaries to trade. First we will discuss about trade. Trade is an essential part of commerce. It refers to buying and selling of goods and services. It helps in making the goods produced available to the consumers. Traders act as a link between the manufacturer and the consumers. Trade can be classified into two categories, that is internal trade and external trade. Internal trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services within the geographical boundaries of a country. It is also known as home trade. External trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services beyond the geographical limits of the country. It is also known as trade between two or more countries. External trade is divided into two parts, that is wholesale trade and retail trade. Wholesale trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services in large quantities. Retail trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services in small quantities. External trade is also of three types: export trade, import trade, and intraport trade. Export refers to sale of goods to a foreign country. Import refers to buying and selling of goods from foreign country. Intraport means import of goods for the purpose of export, that is, goods are purchased from one country and sold to the other country.